Hello student, this is lecture number 5 on transportation and game theory. This is lecture on assignment problem. We will discuss some examples related to assignment problem by Hungarian methods. The concept covered in these lectures are unbalanced assignment problem, maximization assignment problem, and multiple optimal solution. So first we discuss unbalanced assignment problem. What are the unbalanced assignment problem? In such type of problem, cost matrix is not equal to square matrix. That is, number of rows is not equal to number of columns. To convert it into square matrix, what we do, we add dummy row or dummy column with cost 0. We will discuss how we can add dummy row or dummy column. It depends upon which either row is minimum or column is minimum. So in this example number 1, solve the following assignment problem. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column and 6 rows A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, because number of rows and number of columns are not equal, so we have, and number of rows is less than number of columns. So what we have to do, we have to add one column with cost associated with them is 0. So we add this is the 6th row. We call this dummy row. Let I denote this by different color, and cost associated with each is 0. Right? So what we do, we first make it a square matrix. Now we solve this assignment problem by Hungarian method. We have already discussed about Hungarian method in lecture number 4, part 1. So if you have any doubt, then you can revise, go through the lecture number 4 on assignment problem. We have discussed about Hungarian method and examples based on Hungarian method in detail. Okay, so how we can solve assignment problem by Hungarian method? So first step is row reduction. Row reduction. In row reduction, what we do? We find out the minimum element of each row and subtract that element from the corresponding row. So we have 6 rows and 6 columns. A, B, C, D, E, F. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now, in first row, what is the minimum element? Yes, 0 is the minimum element. So first row, even yes, there is no need to go for row reduction because each row, in each row we have 1 0. So every row remains same. क्योंकि जब हम 0 में से 0 माइनस करेंगे हर एक एलिमेंट में से, तो वो रो क्या होगी? इट रिमेन सेम. फर्स्ट रो रिमेन सेम, सेकंड रिमेन सेम, थर्ड रिमेन सेम. So directly we go for column reduction. So we go for column reduction, right? Because a row remains same. So in first column, but we observe 2 is the minimum element. So we subtract 2 from first column, each element of first column. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 6 minus 2 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. In second column, again 2 is minimum. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 3, 6. 0, 1, 5. In third column, we have 3 is minimum. 3 is minimum. So we subtract 3 from each entry, each element from column 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 3 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 8 minus 3 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1. In fourth column, 2 is minimum. So we subtract 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 6 minus 2 is 4. In fifth column, minimum number is 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3. Now in sixth column, every entry is 0, so it remains 0. So this is the column reduction. Now we start the assignment. How we can start? Go for assignment. In first row, there are 3 zeros, so leave this row. In second row, there are 2 zeros, so again leave second row. In third row, there is only 1 zero, so assign this 0. If we assign this 0, if there is any other 0 in that column, we cross all that zeros. Now come to fourth row, there are 3 zeros, leave that zeros, leave that row. Fifth and sixth, there is no 0, so row wise it's over. Now come to column wise. In first column, there is only 1 0, assign this 0. If there is any 0 in this row, then cross that. So we have already crossed this 0. Now come to column second. There are 2 zeros, this one and this one, so leave this column. In third column, there is only 1 0, assign this 0. And in this row, there are 2 zeros, so we cross out this 0. In fourth column, there is only 1 0, so assign this 0. In fifth column, there is no 0. Now come to, no, we have only 1 0 left. Okay, yes, we have, because we have already assigned this, so cross this 0. Because we have already assigned this, so we cross this one. So no 0 left, right? We have assigned all zeros and cross zeros. Now what we do, how we can use Hungarian method? Tick all unassigned row. So we tick all unassigned row. So we tick this R5 and R6. Fifth row and sixth row are unassigned. बाकी सब में असाइनमेंट है. फर्स्ट रो में असाइनमेंट है, सेकंड में असाइनमेंट है, थर्ड में असाइनमेंट है, फोर्थ में असाइनमेंट है. कौन सी रो में असाइनमेंट नहीं है? फिफ्थ और सिक्स्थ रो में असाइनमेंट नहीं. सो वी टिक फिफ्थ एंड सिक्स्थ रो. टिक ऑल अनअसाइन्ड रो. If ticked row has 0, now we first consider row number 5, this one. If ticked row, इसमें अगर कहीं 0 आपको दिख रहा है, yes, this is 1 0, so we tick that column, we tick this column. If ticked column has an assignment, अगर tick column में कहीं assignment है, तो yes, this third row has an assignment, right? So we can tick that row. If ticked row has 0, then we have to tick that column, but there is no 0 in this row, so this process is over. Now come to sixth row, क्योंकि ये तो हमने fifth row के लिए किया. Now sixth row के लिए, this is the tick row. इस row में this is 1 0, this is only 0. We have already ticked that column, so there is no need to tick again, and this process is already completed. So our ticking process is over. Now what we do? We have to make a line, draw a line through unticked row. We draw the line through unticked row. These are the unticked row. And D is the unticked row. Right? And ticked column. So this is the ticked column. So we have to make line through this. Now you can see that we have number of assignment 1 2 3 4. Number of assignments are 4, and number of line draw, they are also equal to 4. So number of assignment is equal to number of line draw. They must be equal. Second thing, no 0 left in where no line passing through it. आपने ये देखना, ध्यान से देखना है कि कोई 0 बचनी नहीं चाहिए जहां से कोई लाइन पास नहीं हो. All the 0 are covered by the lines. So we have covered all the zero. This zero is covered, this zero is covered, all the zeros are covered, right? So we have non-zero number. हमें non-zero number मिलने चाहिए जहां से कोई भी लाइन पास नहीं हुई. It means what we have to observe, keep in mind, all the zeros are covered. Now number of assignments are 4 and number of order of matrix is equal to 6. So number of assignments is not equal to order of the matrix. We can say order of number of rows, or we can say number of columns. So order of matrix, or better it we write that is equal to number of rows or column. Okay. So now what we do, we again now we have to choose. एक नंबर हमें चूज करना है जहां से कोई लाइन पास थ्रू नहीं हुई है, कोई लाइन पास नहीं हुई, और उसमें से मिनिमम नंबर चूज करना है. So 5 6 3 7 3 7 1 5 7 2 2 5 1 4 3. So minimum we find that is 1. So minimum number where no line passing through it, we say this is theta. So theta is equal to minimum number. Theta is equal to 1. Now what we do, हमने ये मिनिमम नंबर अगर जहां से कोई भी लाइन पास नहीं हुई है उस नंबर में से ये माइनस करना है. जहां से एक जिस नंबर के ऊपर से एक लाइन पास हुई है उस नंबर को एज इट इज रखना है. जहां जिस नंबर से दो लाइनें पास हुई हैं, दो लाइनें पास होंगी तो इट मींस इस तरीके का प्लस साइन बनेगा, उस नंबर में हमने ये थीटा ऐड करना है. नाउ वी चेंज द कॉस्ट मैट्रिक्स. द न्यू मैट्रिक्स इज so new matrix is 4 remain 4, 0 remain 0 because one line passing through it. 0 2 remain 2, 0 remain 0, 1 remain 1. Now this 0 become 1 because two line passing through it. In second row 0 remain 0, 3 remain 3, 5 remain 5, 5 remain 5, 2 remain 2, but 0 become 1 because two line passing through it. In third 5 there is no line passing through it, so we subtract 1. 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, 7 minus 1 is 6, 3 minus 1 is 2, 0 remains 0 because only one line passing through. Fourth row remains same, 4 0 0 2 0, but and last entry become 1 because 0 से दो लाइनें पास हुई. Now 7 becomes 6, 1 becomes 0, we create new 0. 5 becomes 4, 7 becomes 6, 2 becomes 1, 0 remains 0, one line passing through. 2 become 1, 5 become 4, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 1 2, this 0 remains 0. So now we create one more 0, right? New one, even one new 0, we can say one new 0. Now we start the assignment. In first row there are 2 0, leave that row. In second row there is only 1 0, assign this 0. There is no 0 in this column. If there is any 0, then we cross it. Now in row 3 there is only 1 0, assign this. In column there are 2 0, cross these 0. In fourth row there are 3 0, leave that. In fifth row there is only 1 0, assign this 0 and cross all other 0 in the same column. In fifth row there is only 1 0, assign this, and there is 1 0 in the respective column, so cross this. Now come to column wise. First column we have already assigned, second assigned, third assigned. In fourth there is only 1 0, so we assign this 0. In fifth there is only 1 0, we assign this 0. So number of assignment is equal to 6 and order of the matrix is also equal to 6. So assignment process is done. So now we can assign the job. So we have person A, B, C, D, E, F. We have jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how we can assign? Assignments are. So we can write assignments are: a person get fourth job, or fourth job goes to a person. B assigned first job, C assigned sixth job, D assigned fifth job, E assigned second job, F assigned third job. Every person get exactly one job, and each job goes to exactly one person. Now assignment cost. Assignment cost, that is equal to, now we come to the question, what is the cost assigned by A for fourth job? It is 2. This is 2. So we write 2. B assigned for first is again 2. C for sixth, because 6 is dummy, so we put 0. D assigned for fifth job is 5. E for second job it is 3, and F for third job it is 4. So we add it: 4, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 4, 16. So assignment cost is 16. So in this way we can calculate that the minimum cost. So minimum cost is equal to 16. Okay. So this is the unbalanced problem. How we can deal this? We can add. We can first make this by make this a square matrix by adding dummy row or dummy column. Now next problem is maximization problem. In what type of problems are maximization problems? Sometime assignment problems deal with maximization of objective function rather than minimization. It may be required to assign job to a person in such a way that profit is maximum. So in this problem, what is the objective? We have to maximize the profit. The problem deal with maximum profit. In such type of problem, we convert, how we can deal with, we first convert it into minimization problem. If the maximization problem are given, we first convert these problem into minimization. Here we find how we can convert. Here we find maximum element of the profit matrix. जो हमें profit matrix दी होगी उसमें से हम maximum element find करेंगे and subtract that element, that maximum element from all the element of the cost matrix. जो profit matrix हमें दी होगी उस maximum element को, maximum element में से सारे element को subtract करेंगे, हर एक element को. Now we find the cost matrix, new cost matrix, that is known as loss matrix. And then after that, when we convert it into loss matrix, we apply the usual process, that is the Hungarian method, and solve the maximization problem on loss matrix. So let us discuss one example. Determine an optimal assignment for 4 salesmen to 4 districts if profit per day in rupees for each salesman in each district is given below. These are 4 salesmen A, B, C, D. These are district first, second, third, fourth. We have assigned according to their performances. So first, because it is a maximization problem, so we convert it into minimization by considering, by selecting the maximum element. What is the maximum element? It is 16. तो हम क्या करेंगे, सारे मैट्रिक्स की जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको 16 में से माइनस करेंगे. So we find the reduce loss matrix. So we first convert it into loss matrix by subtracting the maximum element. Maximum is 16. So 16 minus 16 is 0. 16 minus 10 is 6. 16 minus 14 is 2. 16 minus 11 is 5. It become 2. It 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1. So this is a loss matrix. We have convert maximization problem into minimization problem by subtracting maximum element from the profit matrix from each entry of the matrix. Now we start row reduction. Now we use the same process, row reduction. What is row reduction? We reduce the maximum element, minimum element. We choose the minimum element of each row and subtract that from the all the element of the respective row. So first may, because 0 is the minimum, so first row remains same, 0, 6, 2, 5. In second there is 1 is minimum, so we subtract 1, it becomes 1, 4, 0, 0. The purpose of subtracting minimum element is so that we can create 1 0 in each row and each column. So in third there is 1 is minimum, so 1 minus 1 is 0, 0, 2, 1. Again in fourth row there is minimum is 1, so it becomes 2, 3, 1, 0. Now because in each column what we observe, we have 1 0. Each column we have 1 0. So there is no need to column reduction. Now we start the assignment process. In first row there is only 1 0, assign this 0 and cross this 0. In second row there are 2 zeros, so leave that. In third row there is only 1 0, assign this 0. In fourth there is 1 0, assign this 0 and cross this one. Now we have only 1 0 left. When column wise we came, we assign this 0. So we have order of the matrix is 4 and number of assignment is equal to 4. So assignment is done. So number of assignments is equal to number of rows or column. Rows or. So now assignment process is done. So now how we can assign the job? So assignment is given by first a person, A, B, C, D are the 4 person, first, second, third, fourth are the district. So we assign a person, first district is assigned to a person, थर्ड डिस्ट्रिक्ट असाइन टू बी पर्सन, सी को हमने सेकंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट असाइन किया और डी को हमने फोर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट असाइन किया. Now the assignment cost, or we can say profit, total profit is, because it's a maximization problem, so we calculate the profit. Total profit is equal to ए को हमने फर्स्ट असाइन किया है, तो फर्स्ट के लिए कॉस्ट क्या था, उसका प्रॉफिट कितना था 16, सो वी पुट 16 प्लस बी को थर्ड असाइन किया है एंड बी 15, सो 15. सी को सेकंड असाइन किया, सो अगेन वी गेट 15 एंड डी को फोर्थ असाइन किया है, सो अगेन प्रॉफिट इज 15. सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट इट इज 61. सो टोटल प्रॉफिट अर्न इज 61. Now we will discuss third problem, that is multiple optimal solution. In this case, in this problem, we have 2 or 3 choices to assign the job, but we observe that the cost remains same in every assignment. The cost remains same, but we have assigned the same job and say to the same person in 2 or 3 or 4 ways, right? So we have multiple options to assign the job. We can shift the job, we can change the job for person to for some person we can change the job so that the minimum cost remains same, right? So how we can deal with such type of problem, let us discuss. Due to the absence of a student, Mr. Student is let it be some student, we can say it be Ramesh. Right? Ramesh, Mr. Vivek has to assign 4 out of 5 different jobs to 4 students. Komal, Himanshu, Aditi, Shivani with performance metrics given below. So now we have 5 jobs, but only 4 students. So because the problem is not balanced. So first we have to make it balanced. How we can make this problem balance? We assign assign the one student with cost 0, right? So let this be we can say s student or dummy student. This is dummy student. So we assign this job with value cost is 0, right? So we first make this problem to be balanced. Now because in each row there is 1 0, so there is no need to go for row reduction. We start the process from column reduction. So column reduction, the purpose of column reduction is so that we can create at least 1 0 in each column. So in first column, the minimum element is 3. So we can subtract 3 from first column. So 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, 11 minus 3 is 8, 10 minus 3 is 7, 11 minus 3 is 8. Now in second, there is a 2 is minimum. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 7, 0, 2, and 10. In third row, third column, 3 is minimum. So it becomes 2, 0, 1, 3, and 11. In fourth column, 2 is minimum. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 10 minus 2 is 8. In fifth, because every element is 0, so we put 0, 0. Now we start the process. We make the assignment. In first row, there are 2 0, leave this. In second, there are 3 zeros, leave this. In third, there are again 2 0, leave the third row. In fourth, there is only 1 0, so we assign this 0 and cross all other 0 in this column. So we cross all other 0. In fifth row, there is no 0, so we come to column wise. In first column, there is only 1 0, assign this 0, and there is no 0 in this row. In second, there is only 1 0, assign this. In third, there is only 1 0, and this 0 is crossed out. In fourth, there is no 0. So we make the assignment, but number of assignment is only 4. But number of rows or column, that is equal to 5. So assignment process is not complete. So what we do, we start the ticking process. Tick the unassigned row. So we start with ticking. Tick the unassigned row. So this row, fifth row is unassigned. If there is any row, any 0 in this row, then tick that column. So this column is ticked. If there is any assignment in this column, tick that row. So we assign this. If there is any 0 in this row, then tick that row. So because there is no 0 other than this, so we have already ticked the first column, fifth column. So now our ticking job is over. Now what we do? We have to draw the line through unticked row. So we draw the line through unticked row. And ticked column. Now what you observe, all the zeros are covered by the lines, and number of lines draw is equal to number of assignment. So now we make the new cost matrix. Here the minimum number, here we choose the minimum number that is theta, and theta is equal to थीटा कौन सा होगा जहां से कोई नंबर कोई लाइन पास नहीं हुई है। तो इन 7 2 3 3 8 10 11 8 में से हमने थीटा फाइंड किया, दैट इज 2 इज द मिनिमम। सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 2 फ्रॉम दीज नंबर, जहां से कोई लाइन पास नहीं हुई है। जहां से एक लाइन पास हुई है वहां पर वो नंबर एज इट इज रहेगा। जहां से जिस नंबर से 2 लाइनें पास हो रही हैं उस नंबर में ये थीटा ऐड हो जाएगा। सो अवर न्यू मैट्रिक्स इज न्यू मैट्रिक्स इज 0 remain 0, 4 remain 4, 2 remain 2, 1 remain 1, 0 become 2 because 2 line passing through it. Now 1 remain 1, 7 remain 7, 0 remain 0, 0 remain 0, this 0 become 2. Now 8 remain 8, 0 remain 0, 1 remain 1, 4 remain 4, and this 0 become 2. Now in 7 become 5, 2 becomes 0, so we create new 0. 3 become 1, 3 become 1, 0 remains 0. And then 8 minus 2, it becomes 6, 8, 9, 6, and this 0 remains 0. So this is our new cross matrix. Now we again start the process of assignment. In first row there is only 1 0, assign this. In second row there are 2 0, leave this. In third row there is only 1 0, assign this and cross this. In fourth row there is only 1 0, assign this and cross this. Fifth row there is no 0. In column, first column is assigned, second column is assigned, third there is only 1 0, assign this 0 and cross this 0. Now again number of assignments is equal to 4. That is not equal to order of the matrix. So what we do? Tick unassigned row. So we tick unassigned row. So fifth row is unassigned. If there is any 0, tick that column. So we tick this column. If ticked column has an assignment, so yes, this has an assignment. So tick that row. So we tick this row. If ticked row has 0, तो हमें यहाँ 2 0 है, 1 is assigned, 1 is crossed. So assigned 0 तो already उस column को tick किया हुआ है, but cross, now we cross tick this column. Now again, if ticked column has an assignment, again we have assignment. Tick that row. We tick this row. If ticked row has 0, so there is only one assignment assigned 0. We have already ticked this column. So the ticking process is over. Now what we do? We draw the line through unticked row. We draw the line through unticked row and ticked column. So what you observe, it will cover all the zeros. Again, now we have to find the minimum number जहां से कोई line pass नहीं हुई. So minimum number is minimum theta is equal to 1. Now we reduce the cost matrix. So this number is basically, this number is 4. So now we okay. Now 0 remains 0. 4 become 4 plus 1 is 5 because 4 से 2 लाइनें पास हो रही हैं. 2 remain 2, 1 remain 1 and 2 become 3. 1 remain 1, 7 become 8, 0 remain 0, 0 remain 0, 2 become 3. Now 8 become 8 minus 1, it becomes 7. 0 remain 0, 1 become 0, 4 become 3, 2 remain 2. 5 become 4, 0 remain 0, 1 become 0, 1 become 0, 0 remain 0. 6 become 5, 8 remain 8, 9 become 8, 6 become 5, 0 remain 0. So now we again start the ticking process. In first row there is only 1 0, assign this 0. There is no 0 in this column. Come to second row, there are 2 zeros, leave this. Third row there are 2 zeros, leave this. Fourth row there are 3 0, leave this. Fifth row there is only 1 0, assign this. Now there is 1 0 in this column, so cross this. Now come to column wise. There are 2 zeros, leave this. there are 3 zeros, leave this. There are 2 zeros. Now we have multiple options because we have no row or column where we have only 1 0. So we make another table in at this point. We make the same process table up to this point. 0, 5, 2, 1, 3, right? 1, 8, 0, 0, 3, 7, 0, 0, 3, 2, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 8, 8, 5, 0. Now we have already assigned. So जिनको assign किया है उनको हम same assign करेंगे, जिसको cross कर दिया उसको cross करेंगे. Now up to this we have no choice. यहाँ तक हमने दोनों टेबल में जब हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचा कि 2 जीरो से कम किसी भी रो में नहीं है या कॉलम में नहीं है, so we make another same table. अब now what we do, we if come to this is case number 1, this is case number 2. Okay, so let we arbitrarily choose. If we choose this, if we choose this, then we have to cross this one, right? Now come to if we consider if we are taking from row wise, we choose this element, then we cross all other element in the row and the assigned column. Now come to row number 3. We have only 1 0, assign this and cross this. Now we have only 4th row, we have only 1 0, so we assign this. Now 5 assignments are completed. Now but here we have assigned this one, but there is another 0 in this row, same row. So what we do in second column, now if we assign this, अब अगर इसको assign करते तो क्या होता, we cross this one and this one. Now come to third row. There are 2 zeros in third row and 2 0 in fourth. So अब case number 2 के भी एक हमारा एक और सब केस बन जाएगा. So now what we have, case number 2 का I can write this as case number 2 1. Now case 2 2. हम सेम टेबल इसका केस नंबर 2 का ड्रॉ करेंगे. जीरो 5 2 1 3 1 8 0 0 3 7 0 0 3 2 4 0 0 0 0 5 8 8 5 0. जो हमने असाइन किए हैं वो एज इट इज यहाँ भी असाइन करेंगे. दिस 0, दिस इज क्रॉस्ड, दिस इज असाइंड, this 0 is crossed, this is crossed, this 0 is assigned. Okay, now we have two choices in case number 2 1 and 2 2. What are those choices? If we select this, if we assign job this to this person, then we cross this one and we have only 1 0, so we assign this. Now if we assign, instead of assigning this, if we assign this job to this person, then we cross this one and this one. Now we assign this job, right? So these are the possible now number of assignment in 2 1 2 second के first case में और second के second case में all number of assignments are equal to 5, and that is equal to order of the matrix. So what we do, we have completed because now we assign this first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These this is Komal. I can write K, Himanshu H, Aditi A, this is Shivani, and this is dummy, so I can put S dash dummy, right? This is K, this is H, this is A, this is S, this is S dash, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. K, H, A, S, S dash. Now we calculate the assignment cost. In this what we do, कोमल को हमने कौन सी जॉब असाइन की? फर्स्ट जॉब 1. हिमांशु को वी असाइन थर्ड जॉब. अदिति को वी असाइन सेकंड. शिवानी को वी असाइन फोर्थ, and dummy we assign fifth job. We can calculate the assignment cost. Assignment minimum cost is that is कोमल के लिए, कोमल को फर्स्ट जॉब असाइन करने के लिए ही put 3, he charge 3 unit, 3 rupees or 3,000, whatever it is. Second, Himanshu third job के लिए he give choice of 2 rupees, and then Aditi for second he give 3, and Shivani for fourth job the cost is 5, and dummy for fifth is 0. So we get 5 plus 5, 10 plus 3, 13 rupees for this. So minimum cost is 13. Now what we observe, we assign, there is another choice. In this choice, what is, how we can assign? कोमल को हमने फर्स्ट जॉब असाइन की, हिमांशु को भी असाइन थर्ड जॉब, अदिति को भी असाइन फोर्थ जॉब, शिवानी को भी असाइन सेकंड जॉब, and dummy we assign fifth job. Now what is the assignment cost? It is 3 plus, you can check from the table, 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0. So again it is 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 plus 3 13. Again the minimum cost remains same, but the assignment as per previous one यहाँ पर चेंज होगी. यहाँ अदिति को हमने फोर्थ जॉब असाइन की, यहाँ अदिति को सेकंड जॉब थी, यहाँ शिवानी को सेकंड थी, शिवानी को यहाँ फोर्थ थी. नाउ कम टू दिस अगेन, कोमल को हमने फर्स्ट जॉब असाइन की, हिमांशु को हमने फोर्थ जॉब असाइन की, अदिति को हमने थर्ड जॉब असाइन की, शिवानी को सेकंड, एंड डमी को हमने फिफ्थ जॉब. नाउ व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट? कॉस्ट इज मिनिमम कॉस्ट इज 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. So again 4 plus 3 7 plus 4 11 plus 2 13. So you get what you observe, the minimum cost remains same, but we have multiple option to assign the job to the particular to different person. So such type of problems are called multiple optimal solution problem. So in today's lecture, what we have discussed unbalanced assignment problem, and then maximization problem, and after that we have discussed multiple optimal solution. So I think we have done all the concept related to assignment problem. So if you face any difficulty, then you can write. You can send me a message on my YouTube channel. I will definitely give you the whatever you doubt. I will clarify you doubt. Thank you. Have a nice day.